Adjusting stock in 1FinForce is extremely easy. So all we're going to do this is to navigate to the bottom left here under inventory. In here, we'll navigate through to the adjust stock section. From here, we can select which product we are actually adjusting, select a reason for the adjustment. It can be a stock count correction, damaged expired, missing shrinkage, supplier short delivery, or data entry mistake. We're going to leave it as stock count correction. We can select whether it's going to be an increase or decrease in our current quantity. And select the quantity right here. I'm going to select 3. We can add a note. So for example, stock count as per warehouse, and save the adjustment. And just like that, all of our inventory values are adjusted automatically. If we go to the inventory history, we'll also know who adjusted it, any references, the type of it, as well as the quantity. And we have this full audit log of the entire inventory movement that cannot be altered by your employees. Cheers.